beautiful cloudy day is Hanami Day in Tokyo. It's supposed to be full bloom, although it may not have quite hit yet. People have organized the parties to happen on this day, so I'm heading into downtown Tokyo. Let's go find that train. My epic journey is concluded here at Harajuku Station. I'm heading into Yoyogi Park. It is raining now, and people were going to retreat to a pub if this happens, so there's a good likelihood people are already retreating, but I'm gonna go check it out anyways. Looks like everything's being delayed because of the weather, but that's a good thing. Still no luck yet, but I feel like I'm closing in on them. So I made it. There's actually a wicked turnout. Nobody was defeated by the weather. Gonna chat a bunch of people up. Maybe I can actually find some people to collab with, which would be really, really cool. And behind me is a huge pile of free alcohol.
Back from the dead.
YouTube Hanami was a success. It is the morning after Hanami. I thought now would be a good time post Hanami to just kind of recap the experience there because I'd never gone before. And it was really, really, really cool. It was awesome given the size of my channel, the modest size of my channel. That I met so many people there who watched the videos, and for all different reasons, like the people who like the more artistic stuff, the people who were getting information for teaching here, and in a word, it was really humbling. Thank you so much to everybody who came out to that and made it even better with your presence, and I'll definitely be going next year. And now I think today, because I'm already downtown, I'm gonna wander around, visit some cool places. I've had a moment of inspiration. I wasn't going to come down to Nakameguro until next weekend because that's when they're in full bloom, but it was such a beautiful day. I figured you could never have too much Hanami. Definitely found the most famous individual today at Nakameguro Canal. So let's say hi to him who's over here. So I'm actually really impressed. I didn't think that they would be so blooming, and as I walk along I realized that it's actually really, really good today. Not to mention I got to see that awesome cat. I've never seen that cat here in the 3 years that I've arrived, so that was special. And as always, the street food is absolutely amazing. I have more pictures that could last a lifetime, and all the food was amazing, and It was awesome touring around here today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and generally the video, because I'm gonna have compiled this into one. If you liked it, please do leave a thumbs up. If you want to check out more, please do subscribe to the channel. Lots more to come like this. I might even be coming in next week to do this all over again, find a different spot to film. But that's all for now. Follow me on all the social media. I would have flashed down below if you want to check out more stuff like this. Thanks so much for checking out the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.